Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 2019 Mercedes CLS450. Gorgeous car, one owner. We've only got 15,000 miles on this car. It hadn't even turned 15 yet. It's got the sport package. This color is the Cardinal Red Metallic. It's a Designo color. Pay extra for that. It's really, really nice in the sun. It's kind of shady right now, but really it's got a nice pop to it. Tires are in great shape. Very clean car, non-smoker. It's got the driver assistance package, heads-up display. It's got the 360 cameras, power rear trunk lid. Really nice looking car. I've always loved these. Fast too. Those AMG wheels look great. Interior, you've got the beige interior. Really love it with this wood trim. Got the Burmester sound system there. Heated, cooled seats. Got an all-weather floor mats in here. Really nice wood trim. Let's see if I can get that. There you go, 14,923 miles, no warning lights. This car just had a big service at the dealership. Like less than 100 miles ago. Oil change, wipers, tire rotation, the whole thing. It's all on Carfax, you can read it there. Give us a call, text, email. We do respond quickly. I can't even find a dent or a scratch on this car. We can ship anywhere in the US. We can do deals remotely. We also work with your bank. We can make the deal very, very easy for you. Most of our deals, the cars get shipped out of town. We can help with that whole process. It's very easy. Diesel fuel is down right now, so shipping prices are not as much as you would expect. So we hope to hear from you. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment on the videos, and we've got more stuff coming. Thank you so much.